Hello friends, there are many rumors going on about coronavirus. Just do not get panic. Let's listen what WHO says about coronavirus. First, let's be ready for coronavirus. Be ready for coronavirus. WHO is giving advice on how to protect ourselves and others. Be safe from coronavirus infection. Be smart and inform yourself about it. Be kind and support one another. Be supportive, be careful, be alert, and be kind. Be informed, be prepared, be smart, be safe about coronavirus. Coronavirus disease COVID-19 advice for the public. The new coronavirus can be transmitted in the areas with hot and humidity climates. From the evidence so far, the new coronavirus can be transmitted in all areas including areas with hot and humidity weather. Regardless of climate, adapt protective measures if you live in or travel to an area reporting COVID-19. Cold weather and snow cannot kill the new coronavirus. There is no reasons to believe the cold weather can kill the new coronavirus or other diseases. The normal human body temperature remains around 36.5 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius regardless of the external temperature or weather. The most effective way to protect yourself against the new coronavirus is by frequently cleaning your hands with the alcohol-based hand rub or washing them with soap and taking hot bath does not prevent the new coronavirus disease. Taking a hot bath will not prevent you from catching COVID-19. Your normal body temperature remains around 36.5 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius regardless of the temperature of your bath or shower. Actually, taking a hot bath with extremely hot water can be harmful as it can burn you. The best way to protect yourself against COVID-19 is by frequently cleaning your hands. By doing this, you eliminate a virus that may be on your hands and avoid infection that would occur by then touching your eyes, mouth and nose. Fact: the new coronavirus cannot be transmitted through mosquito bites. To date, there has been no information nor evidence to suggest that the new coronavirus would be transmitted by the mosquito. The new coronavirus is a respiratory virus which spreads primarily through droplets generated when an infected person coughs or sneezes, or through the droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose. Are hand dryers effective in killing the new coronavirus? No, hand dryers are not effective in killing the 2019 coronavirus. To protect yourself against the new coronavirus, you should frequently clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. Once your hands are cleaned, you should dry them thoroughly by using paper towels or a warm hair dryer. Can an ultraviolet disinfection lamp kill the new coronavirus? Ultraviolet lamp should not be used to sterilize hands or other areas of skin, as ultraviolet radiation can cause skin irritation. How effective are the thermal scanners in detecting people infected with new coronavirus? Thermal scanners are effective in detecting people who have developed a fever, that is, have a higher than normal body temperature because of infection with new coronavirus. However, they cannot detect people who are infected but are not yet sick with fever. This is because it takes between 2 and 10 days before people who are infected become sick and develop a fever. Can spraying alcohol or chlorine all over your body kill the new coronavirus? No, spraying alcohol or chlorine all over your body will not kill virus that have already entered your body. Spraying such substance can be harmful to clothes or mucous members, that is eyes, mouth. Be aware that both alcohol and chlorine can be useful to disinfect surfaces, but they need to be used under appropriate recommendations. Do vaccines against pneumonia protect you against the new coronavirus? No, vaccines against pneumonia such as pneumococcal vaccines and Haemophilus influenza type B vaccines do not provide protection against the new coronavirus. The virus is so new and different that it needs its own vaccines. Researchers are trying to develop a vaccine against coronavirus, and WHO is supporting their efforts. Can regularly rinsing your nose with saline help prevent infection with new coronavirus? No, there is no evidence that regularly rinsing the nose with saline has protected people from infection with new coronavirus. There is some limited evidence that regularly rinsing the nose with the saline can help people recover more quickly from the common cold. However, regularly rinsing the nose has not been shown that it prevents respiratory infection. Can eating garlic help prevent infection with the new coronavirus? Garlic is a healthy food that may have some antimicrobial properties. However, there is no evidence from the current outbreak that eating garlic has protected people from the new coronavirus. Does the new coronavirus affect older people or younger people also? People of all ages can be infected by the new coronavirus. Older people and people with pre-existing medical conditions such as asthma, diabetes, heart diseases appear to be more vulnerable to become severely ill with this virus. Are antibodies effective in preventing and treating the new coronavirus? No, antibodies do not work against virus, only bacteria. The new coronavirus is a virus and therefore antibiotics should not be used as a means of prevention or treatment. Are there any specific medicine to prevent or treat the new coronavirus? To date, there is no specific medicine recommended to prevent or treat the new coronavirus. However, those infected with the virus should receive appropriate care to relieve and treat symptoms, and those with severe illness should receive optimized supportive care. Some specific treatment are under investigation and will be tested through clinical trials. How should I greet another person to avoid catching the new coronavirus? To prevent COVID-19, it is safest to avoid physical contact when greeting. Safe greeting include a wave, a nod, a bow. Should I avoid shaking hands because of the new coronavirus? Yes, respiratory virus can be passed by shaking hands and touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Greet people with a wave, a nod or a bow instead. Is wearing rubber gloves while out in public effective in preventing the new coronavirus infection? No, regularly washing your bare hands offers more protection against catching COVID-19 than wearing a rubber gloves.